Pakikita si Jollibee.
Hello guys, this is Jollibee and Party Edition. And here with you meet my best friend, Caleb Sebastian. His favorite word is the N word and he likes to laugh.
Five tayo, one picture now. Put yourself into three! May nagkahatakan dyan. Sinunod ang parang madaya ang puso. Balik tayo sa pwesto. The mood is thinking, group yourself. Wala pa. Group yourself into one. Group yourself into five. Ilan kayo? Ilan sila? Sino yung panalo? Yung dalawa.
Stibbidi dum 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 dum, yes 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 yes, stibbidi dip stibbidi.